नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Last time we looked at some examples of stand-alone pronouns in the Holy Quran. Um, they are called stand-alone pronouns because they are written separately from other words in a sentence. They are also known as subject pronouns because quite often they are used in a sentence as mubtada. We have discussed in the past that although mubtada is not exactly subject, but we can loosely translate mubtada as subject. So we have subject in a nominal sentence, and then we have predicate, which is khabar. Today, inshallah, we are going to understand the use of the other type of pronouns in Arabic. Let us look at our example. We said the boy's book. The boy's book, or the book of the boy. Now we want to say the boy's book and his pen. So in English, there are two ways of saying it. We can say it the boy's book and the boy's pen, or we can say the boy's book and his pen. The boy's book and the boy's pen. Okay, and we can say the boy's book and his pen. So clearly this is a better way of saying in English. What we are doing here is that we have replaced this noun here with the relevant pronoun here. So the boy we are talking about in third person, and third person noun in that context will be his, clearly. So let us translate both these in Arabic. We know this, the boy's book or the book of the boy, Kitabul Waladi. Kitabul Waladi. Basically, mudaf and mudaf ilayh. Now we want to say the boy's book and the boy's pen. So we will bring something in place of and, which is waw here. Waw is alphabet, one of the alphabets, but here we are using it as a her, basically conjunction, replacing and in English. So kitabul waladi wa and kalamul waladi pen. Kalamul waladi. So again, mudaf, mudaf ilayh. So this basically is kalamun, and we know that mudaf loses its tanween. Mudaf is not allowed to have tanween, and mudaf is also not allowed to have al on it. So it becomes kalamul waladi. So kitabul waladi wa kalamul waladi. Now we translate this sentence. So we'll write kitabul waladi wa kalamu kalamu. So how are we going to translate his? So we know that third person pronoun in Arabic is huwa. What we know up till now is huwa. So can we write huwa here? Let's try it anyway. So kitabul waladi wa kalamu huwa, replacing his. But this is wrong. That's not how we write in Arabic. we have to replace this huwa with something else. Huwa is basically, we have said huwa is commonly used as a mubtada, and it is known as to be in place of rafa. We have said these pronouns are zamair, marfu'a, munfasila. So they are quite often used as mubtada, and mubtada is always in rafa. And here we're using it in place of mudaf ilayh. And mudaf ilayh is always in jar. So this is not really in jar, basically. So we have to do something else to make sense of this part of the sentence. So what we do is we bring another pronoun in Arabic, which is who. So kalamu who. Kalamu who. So this who is another pronoun, which is the same as huwa, but here in this construction, it is mudaf ilayh, and mudaf ilayh is always in state of jar, and these pronoun has been considered to be in place of jar. They are also used in place of nasb in a different context, but in this construction, they are used as mudaf ilayh, which is always in the state of jar. So basically, we got mudaf, mudaf ilayh, and then here we got mudaf, and this is our mudaf ilayh. Although this has got this inverted dhamma on it, but that really doesn't show its i'rab. That's not marker of its i'rab. This pronoun is being mudaf ilayh in the slot of jar. So we will say this is fi mahalli jarrin. Fi mahalli jar. So we got mudaf here, which is in this case marfu, and we have mudaf ilayh, which is zamir who, and that is in state of jar because it is in the slot of mudaf ilayh. So kalamu who. We can look at another example, feminine pronoun. So for example, we say the little child's book and her pen. Little child's book and her pen. The little child's book and the little child's pen is actually her pen. So we have brought this pronoun which goes with little child. And because we are saying her pen, here we mean little child means female child. So in Arabic, we will translate that kitabut tiflatu, little girl, kitabut tiflatu, tiflatu, wa kalamu ha, kalamu ha. So ha here is again in the place of mudaf ilayh and is considered to be in jar. The other pronoun, which is subject pronoun, we know that opposite to huwa we had hiya. So we are not going to write hiya here because hiya is used as a mubtada and is considered to be in rafa. So in this construction, we have replaced hiya with ha. So kitabu tiflatu, the little girls, we can say little child, a little girl's book, and her pen. Kitabu